perfect tennis ball size.
I dare you.
What? Here, just walk on stage. Oh, Canada.
You're welcome.
Oh.
You know he can get that out. Alright, watch out. I'm hopping.
No.
Oh my god.
Woo! You made it! I'm videoing it. Do it, Kevin.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
You videoing this? Just going on YouTube?
Say hi.
That's him and his wicked music.
I am not. I'm listening to... Let me find a good song. I am listening to... Track
They're
21.
letting them off where the fire truck is. Some will be there and some will be this way.
He just jumped over it again.
This is a video.
Is it? Hi!
It's Miss Melissa.
It's Melissa and Stephanie from Mount Salem, and we're having a great time this summer. And I'm gonna miss you, Hannah, when you're gone.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you too.
Oh, Kevin!
Alright, guy hug over.
What? You did No.
Will you hug me?
What? Oh, Kevin.
What are you recording?
You?
Dude, Bo, I really don't understand it. I really
Ew.
don't get it. Got stuck on my teeth. Oh. Okay. That had a little flavor to it.